American food has many different kinds. Burgers, hot dogs, and apple pie are some famous ones. People often eat them at casual parties, like barbecues. There are also special foods in different parts of America, like Tex Mex food from Texas, and Southern comfort food with fried chicken. America has lots of different cultures, so we eat foods from all around the world, like pizza, sushi, and tacos. American food is big, tasty, and has lots of options for everyone. American food is interesting because it comes from lots of different places and cultures. For example, pizza is from Italy, but it's also super popular in America. We also have foods like sushi from Japan and tacos from Mexico. But we've made them our own by adding different ingredients and flavors. Americans love big portions and lots of flavor. Think about things like barbecue ribs, juicy burgers, and crispy fried chicken. These kinds of food are often served at big gatherings, like family reunions or 4th of July parties. But American food isn't just about big meals. We also have lots of snacks and desserts, like cookies, brownies, and of course, apple pie. It's sweet and delicious, especially with a scoop of ice cream on top. No matter what kind of food you like, you can find it in America. That's what makes our food so special. Let's dive a bit deeper into some classic American dishes and the stories behind them. One iconic American dish is the hamburger. It's a simple yet delicious sandwich made with a ground beef patty served between two slices of bread, usually a bun. The origins of the hamburger are a bit debated, but it's said to have originated in the United States in the late 19th or early 20th century. Today, you can find many hamburgers in countless variations, from classic cheeseburgers to gourmet creations with unique toppings like avocado, bacon, or even fried eggs. Another beloved American food is the hot dog, also known as Frankfurter or Wiener. It's a sausage served in a sliced bun. Hot dogs are often enjoyed at sporting events, carnivals, and backyard barbecues. They're typically topped with mustard, ketchup, onions, relish, or sauerkraut, but the toppings can vary depending on regional preferences. Now, let's talk about apple pie, a quintessential American dessert. This sweet treat consists of flaky pastry crust filled with sliced apples, sugar, and spices like cinnamon and nutmeg. It's often served warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream. Apple pie holds a special place in American culture, symbolizing home, tradition, and comfort. Moving on to Southern cuisine, we have dishes like fried chicken and biscuits. Fried chicken is made by coating chicken pieces in seasoned flour and then frying them until they're golden brown and crispy. Biscuits are a type of bread made with flour, butter or shortening, milk, and baking powder. They're fluffy and delicious, perfect for pairing with fried chicken or smothering in gravy. And let's not forget about barbecue. Barbecue is a cooking method that involves slow cooking meat over low heat, often with the addition of wood smoke for flavor. It's a beloved culinary tradition in many parts of the United States, with regional variations in sauces, meats, and cooking techniques. Whether it's ribs, brisket, pulled pork, or smoked sausage, America is all about hearty, flavorful meats that are sure to satisfy your taste buds. These are just few examples of the rich and diverse food culture in America, From classic comfort foods to innovative culinary creations, there's always something delicious to discover in the world of American cuisine. In America, food is a big part of life. People here love to eat and try new things. When you walk down the street, you can find all kinds of places to eat, from small food trucks to big restaurants. One thing that's special about American food is that it's like a mixtape of flavors from all over the world. For example, you can find Italian pizza, Japanese sushi, and Mexican tacos all in the same neighborhood. But America also has its own unique dishes. Have you heard of barbecue? It's a way of cooking meat outside over a fire, and it's super popular, especially in the southern states. The meat gets all smoky and juicy, and people love to gather with friends and family to eat it. And don't forget about breakfast. Americans love to start the day with a hearty meal. Pancakes, waffles, eggs, bacon, and toast are some of the favorites. It's a delicious way to fuel up for the day ahead. Overall, American food is like a big adventure. There's always something new to try, and it's a tasty way to explore different cultures and flavors. Have you ever heard of a barbecue? It's not just a way of cooking meat, it's a whole event. People gather in parks or backyards, and they cook all sorts of delicious foods on a grill. There's usually lots of meat, like ribs, chicken, and sausages, but also veggies like corn on the cob and bell peppers. The air fills with the smell of sizzling food, and everyone eats together, enjoying the flavors and good company. And then there's Thanksgiving. It's a special holiday in America where families come together to give thanks and eat a big feast. One of the star dishes is roast turkey, which is a big bird cooked until it's golden brown and juicy. It's served with all kinds of sides like mashed potatoes, stuffing, and cranberry sauce. And for dessert, pumpkin pie is a must have, a sweet and spicy treat that's perfect for the season. But American food isn't just about big meals, it's also about snacks. Ever tried a peanut butter and jelly sandwich? It's a classic American snack made with peanut butter and jelly, usually grape or strawberry, spread between two slices of soft bread. It's simple but so tasty, and it's a favorite among kids and adults alike. So you see, American food is about more than just what's on the plate. It's about coming together, sharing stories, and enjoying good times with loved ones. And with so many flavors and traditions to explore, there's always something new and exciting to discover. Now, imagine you're walking down a street in America. What do you see? You might see colorful food trucks selling all sorts of tasty treats. One truck might be serving up juicy burgers with cheese melting on top, another might be grilling hot dogs with mustard and ketchup, and you can't forget about the smell of freshly popped popcorn wafting through the air. Or a big plate of spaghetti and meatballs for dinner. And don't forget about the milkshakes. They're thick and creamy, perfect for sipping through a straw. But American food isn't just about what you eat, it's also about how you eat it. Americans love to have picnics in parks, where they spread out blankets on the grass and enjoy sandwiches, chips, and fruits in the sunshine. Or they might have a big barbecue in their backyard, grilling burgers and hot dogs while kids play games and adults chat and laugh. So, American food isn't just about the flavors, it's about the experience. It's about coming together with friends and family, sharing stories and laughter, and enjoying delicious food in good company. And with so many different foods to try and places to explore, there's always something new and exciting waiting just around the corner.